This sound activation is for those feeling grounded and exploratory. Over the next few minutes, you'll be gently guided by music, words, and breath to align yourself with the astrological energies shaping this moment. So settle in, close your eyes, and let this sound carry you exactly where you need to go. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Breathe out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Breathe in. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Breathe out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Breathe in. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Breathe out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Breathe in. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Breathe out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Dear friends, each day we gather here, hearts from every corner of the globe, to share a breath, a quiet pause, and send the light of our love into a dark world. Breathe in. Breathe out. Today, we send the light of our love to those quietly preparing for something they can feel coming. To the ones who sense a shift on the horizon without being able to name it yet. Breathe in. Breathe out. To those who are using the stillness wisely, who are clearing the internal table not out of anxiety, but out of readiness, we send our light. To those who trust the quiet enough to use it well. May the stillness be a kind of readying. I use this pause to return to what I actually know about myself. I notice what I need before the world asks me what I can give. I am not waiting for life to begin. I am preparing the ground. I meet the incoming tide from a place of quiet rootedness. I am already enough for whatever is arriving. Not every day announces itself with drama. Some days are the preparation. The quiet hands moving through the ordinary, making order out of what has been lived. Today, the earth holds its breath before the mirror rises. There is wisdom in knowing when to be still and when to move. What you tend to today will hold you when the tide comes in. Attending is the readying. Let the smallness of it be exactly right. The full moon in Libra is 2 days away and already beginning to ask its questions about self and other. About who we are when we're alone and who we become when others are in the room. The emotional weather is careful and attentive, sorting and tending the practical and the personal with equal care. And underneath it all, a new groundedness in personal worth and sensory truth is arriving just in time, before the relational mirror does. This is a day for knowing who you are before someone else's eyes ask you to define it. May your day be filled with love and light.